Hi children, good morning. How are you? Now we are discussing our 12th chapter, Anil's Red Cycle. In the previous class we have discussed the grammar topic pronouns. What do you mean by pronoun? The words we use instead of a noun that we can call pronouns. And we have discussed the pronouns he, she, it, they, we, you and I. And from the lesson 11, A Visit to Grandfather, you have studied the pronouns I, you and we. In the previous class, we have discussed the pronouns he, she, it and they from this lesson. And he is used for a boy or a man. She is used for a girl or a woman. And they is used for when we are talking about people, animals or things, and it is used for an animal, thing. So children, now we can see some examples. So children, here I have written some sentences on the board. So we need to complete these sentences using the pronouns he, she, it or they. The first sentence, Tony is happy dash won a prize. Tony is happy dash won a prize. Here which is the noun? Yes, Tony is the noun. It's only one ball. So instead of that, which pronoun we can use? We can use he. H-E. He. So we can read the sentence. Tony is happy. He won a prize. So instead of Tony, we have written the pronoun he. The second sentence, Ria has a doll, dash also has a ball. Ria has a doll, dash also has a ball. So here which is the noun? Ria is the noun. Ria is a girl. So which pronoun we can use? Yes, instead of a girl's name we can use the pronoun she. S-H-E. She. So Ria has a doll, she also has a ball. And the third sentence, this is a cute dog dash loves to play all day. This is a cute dog dash loves to play all day. So in this sentence, which is the noun? Dog is the noun. Dog is an animal. So instead of an animal's name, we can use the pronoun it. Here is only one animal, so we can use the pronoun it. I-T. So this is a cute dog. It loves to play all day. And the fourth sentence, the box is very heavy, dash is filled with books. The box is very heavy, dash is filled with books. Here which is the noun? Box. Box is the noun. It's a thing. So instead of a thing's name, we can use the pronoun it. I-T. It. So we can read, the box is very heavy. It is filled with books. And the last sentence, Ria and Bob are friends dash go to school together. Ria and Bob are friends dash go to school together. Here which is the noun? In this sentence there are two nouns, Ria and Bob. So instead of people more than one person, we can use the pronoun they. T-H-E-Y. They. So Ria and Bob are friends. They go to school together. The first sentence, Tony is happy. He won a prize. Second one, Ria has a doll. She also has a ball. Third one, this is a cute dog. It loves to play all day. Fourth one, the box is very heavy. It is filled with books. Fifth one, Ria and Bob are friends. They go to school together. Now we can discuss the textual activity using pronouns from page number 69. Rewrite the sentences using he, she, they or it. First sentence, Harish is reading a book. Harish is on chapter 5. Harish is reading a book. Harish is on chapter 5. In the second sentence, they have repeated the word Harish. So, is it correct? No. So, instead of Harish, we can use the pronoun he. So, we can rewrite the sentence like this. He is on chapter 5. Harish is reading a book. He is on chapter 5. And the second sentence, Tara is not a dancer. Tara is a singer. Tara is not a dancer. Tara is a singer. Instead of Tara, we can use the pronoun she. So we can rewrite the sentence like this. She is a singer. She is a singer. So we can read the sentence. Tara is not a dancer. She is a singer. Instead of Tara, we have used the pronoun she. And the third sentence, Manish and Keya are flying kites. Manish and Keya are very happy. Manish and Keya are flying kites. Manish and Keya are very happy. Instead of Manish and Keya, which pronoun we can use? We can use the pronoun they. So we can write like this. They are very happy. They are very happy. So we can read it like this. Manish and Keya are flying kites. They are very happy. Here there are two nouns, Manish and Keya. So we have used the pronoun they here. Fourth sentence, I love to visit the zoo. The zoo is very clean. I love to visit the zoo. The zoo is very clean. Here we use the word the zoo again. Zoo is a place name. So which pronoun we can use? If it is an animal, place or thing's name, we can use the pronoun it. So we can rewrite the sentence like this. It is very clean. It is very clean. So we can read, I love to visit the zoo. It is very clean. And the fifth sentence, Jaya's sister is playing with a doll. The doll has a red and white dress. Jaya's sister is playing with a doll. The doll has a red and white dress. Here they have repeated the noun doll. Doll is a thing's name. So which pronoun we can use? We can use the pronoun it. So we can rewrite like this. It has a red and white dress. It has a red and white dress. So we can read the sentence like this. Jaya's sister is playing with a doll. It has a red and white dress. So children, today we have discussed the textual exercises using pronouns. You should complete the textual exercise and next we can discuss the vocabulary session. What do you mean by vocabulary? Vocabulary means learn new words. So in this chapter from page number 70, we can learn some new words. So children, in page number 70, there is an activity using vocabulary. So we can discuss now.
Vocabulary from page number 70. Read this sentence. Anil rides his cycle every day after school. Anil rides his cycle every day after school. In this sentence, which is a new word? Cycle. What is the spelling of cycle? C-Y-C-L-E. And below, look at these pictures. Write the correct word from the box under each picture. So here they are given some pictures. In the bracket, they are given some words. And we need to write the correct word from the box under each picture. I will read the words. First one, lorry. L-O-R-R-Y, lorry. Second one, bus. B-U-S, bus. Third one, auto rickshaw. What is the spelling? A-U-T-O-R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. Fourth one, aeroplane. What's the spelling? A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. And the next one, car. C-A-R, car. And the last one, scooter. What's the spelling? S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Now we can see the pictures. What is the first picture? Aeroplane. So they are already given that word. What is the spelling of aeroplane? A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Can you identify the second picture? What's that? Yes, it's a lorry. So we can write there lorry. What's the spelling of lorry? L-O-R-R-Y. So below that picture you can write the word lorry. And which is the third one? Third one is a bus. What's the spelling of bus? B-U-S. Bus. So below that picture you can write the word bus. And which is fourth one? Yeah, it's very common. That is auto rickshaw. What's the spelling? A-U-T-O-R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. Auto rickshaw. And the fifth one, scooter. What's the spelling of scooter? S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Scooter. And sixth one, car. What's the spelling? Easy. C-A-R. Car. So the first picture, aeroplane. Second one, lorry. Third one, bus. Fourth one, auto rickshaw. Fifth one, scooter. And sixth one, car. So children, you must complete this activity and write and study these spellings.
So children, today we have discussed about pronouns and we have discussed the textual activity using pronouns and we have discussed the vocabulary session. And in the next class we can discuss another topic. We can meet in the next classroom. Till then, take care. Bye.